Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss Bitcoin and MicroStrategy. None of the content is financial advice. Let's get started. This is the 20-week moving average based risk levels for Bitcoin. The key idea is whenever the price of Bitcoin is in this high risk territory, that's a good time to DCA out of the market. And whenever the price or the risk levels are in the low risk territory, that's a good time to enter the market. Right now, the risk associated with Bitcoin accumulation per this SMA model has gone down quite a bit from December 16th of 2024, when the risk was more than 80%, to now less than 60%, at around 57%. We are in the moderate risk, that is a 50-50 split with risk between risk and reward. The price of Bitcoin, on the other hand, is at around $105,000, and per the uh, market cap based rank, the market cap is over 2 trillion. The difference between Bitcoin's market cap and ETH's market cap is now more than 5 times. uh, Ether's market cap is at around 400 billion, whereas Bitcoin is at around 2 trillion. So that's the nature of the difference between the top crypto and the second best crypto by market cap. In terms of the completion of the bull market, again, as of 26th of January, again 3 days ago, per the risk level based assessment of the top 100 crypto, the bull run is about 48% complete. We just witnessed, again, this is not a linear process. We just witnessed some of the euphoria when the completion was more than 60% at around first week of December, when the price of Bitcoin first reached $108,000. Now, as of yesterday, the completion is only 45%. Again, historically speaking, whenever the risk score is more than 0.6 or the completion more than 60%, that's when the euphoria phase started. At least in the last bull run, first time in April 2021, then again after a brief pullback in summer, again back in August of 2021. So now that we have covered this, the overall sentiment over the last 24 hours is about 86% bullish. That means the sentiment, again, you can see over here the narratives over the last 24 hours on social media platforms such as YouTube and X, mostly bullish. Mostly narratives are related to Bitcoin. Again, there are some bearish narratives, but definitely right now, apart from the FOMC meet, and some of the top 5 or 10 cryptos such as XRP, Ether, and Solana, most of the directions and the discussions are related to Bitcoin. If we look at Bitcoin from a machine learning based price point, and then again we'll do the same thing for MicroStrategy as well. Price forecast over the next 6 months, based on the machine learning model, trend on about 10 years worth of price action for Bitcoin. The directionality model says that all things equal, the likelihood of price going up with time is higher than going down with time. The one standard deviation or non-euphoria bull case for Bitcoin between now and the next 6 months is between 105,000 and about $160,000. And if there is a euphoria case, again, if we get a left translated or early peaking cycle, the top could be in relatively quickly compared to the last two bull runs, where the top was found in the last quarter of the post halving year, again in December time period of 2017 as well as in November time period of 2021. Again, one could say that although this was a higher peak, there was the bulk of the move got over in the second quarter of 2021 in April. So the euphoria case for Bitcoin for this next 6 months, if it were to occur in those next 6 months, that between $113,000 and $213,000 for Bitcoin. In a case of a euphoria case for Bitcoin, again, if we go to this proxy section on the website, again, all of the content that we just discussed is available on cryptoweeklies.com. This is the home page of this website, and you essentially saw all the indicators that displayed over here. And now, apart from Bitcoin's AI based forecast, now we'll briefly look at MicroStrategy and their own AI based forecast for MicroStrategy. This is the pink line is the bull case for MicroStrategy between $341 and about $592. That is, if there is a continuation in this base case scenario based forecast, again, the one standard deviation ceiling right now is fairly overvalued. If let's say there is a euphoria between now and the next 2 or 3 months, that ceiling could be somewhere between $550 and about $860, between, sorry, $450 and $860. Again, we can only look at a Euphoria case for about 2 to 3 months, not 6 months into the future, like this analysis does. In terms of the bear case um, for MicroStrategy, the floor could be between $154 and about $281. Similarly, the floor for Bitcoin in a case of a pullback in the next 6 months could be between, again, this the phase of the market cycle we are in. The 2 standard deviation pullback is highly unlikely in the post halving year. The 1 standard deviation pullback for Bitcoin could be between 82k and 97k. If there is a scenario where the 2 standard deviation bottom at or 95 percentile bottom occurs, that could be followed or that could follow a recession. So right now, to summarize everything, the 2 standard deviation bull case for Bitcoin between 113k and 213k. The 1 standard deviation bull case for Bitcoin is between 112k to roughly speaking 160k. In terms of MicroStrategy, that scenario could well mean that MicroStrategy on its USD pair, again ignoring the bull case, the directionality based scenario between $350 and about $600. And with that, I would conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.